Welcome to Review Lab. The best ring light is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone looking to elevate their content creation game, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber, a budding streamer, a makeup artist perfecting your craft, or simply someone who wants to look their best on video calls. This ubiquitous lighting accessory casts a soft, even glow that minimizes shadows and creates that signature catchlight in your eyes, instantly making your footage more professional and flattering. It's the secret weapon behind countless polished online personas, transforming amateur setups into studio-quality productions with minimal effort and maximum impact. Number 5. Aureday 14-foot Selfie Ring Light with Tripod. Experience superior illumination with our large 14-inch ring light. It delivers powerful, uniform lighting that outshines smaller models, perfect for professional makeup, videos, and live streams. Easily adjust your lighting with 5 color temperatures and 10 brightness levels. Sensitive touch controls make it simple to find the perfect setting for any need. This durable metal tripod offers exceptional stability for your phone and light. Its unique folding design makes it compact and easy to carry wherever you go. Extend the tripod from 16 to 62 inches with its 4-section design and secure locks. The rotatable head allows for precise angle adjustments, adapting to any shooting scenario. The adjustable phone holder fits all smartphones and rotates for horizontal or vertical shots. A wireless remote provides convenient control up to 33 feet away. This set includes everything you need: a 14-inch ring light, a 62-inch tripod, a phone holder, and a wireless remote. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. This ring light boasts a large 14-inch diameter, providing superior illumination. Its user-friendly touch controls and robust metal tripod make it incredibly easy to use and stable. If you're a content creator who needs powerful, consistent lighting for makeup, vlogging, or live streaming, this is an excellent choice for professional-looking results. What people say. The lighting is bright, even, and completely adjustable, perfect for makeup, photography, or filming videos. The 62 tripod is sturdy but lightweight, and the phone holder keeps everything perfectly centered. Love that it has different color temperature settings: warm, cool, and natural light, so I can easily switch depending on the look I want. The multiple light modes, cool, warm, and natural, let me control the mood and eliminate shadows. I use different tones depending on the time of day or the content I'm shooting. The stand is surprisingly stable and easy to adjust. It extends to a nice height, and the phone camera mount stays secure. The ring light is bigger than most I've seen, which makes a huge difference in lighting for videos and photos. It was super easy to adjust and set up, and I love that it even comes with a self-button remote, which makes taking pictures or filming by myself so much easier. Number 4. Kaiess 10.2 Selfie Ring Light with Tripod. Introducing the Kaiess 10.2-inch Selfie Ring Light, your ultimate tool for professional-looking content creation. Achieve perfect lighting for any situation. With 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels for each, you can easily find the ideal lighting to eliminate shadows and enhance your features. The upgraded arched lampshade provides uniform, eye-friendly illumination. This ring light features an upgraded tripod stand that extends up to 65 inches, offering exceptional stability and flexibility. It can be used as a floor stand or a tabletop tripod. Power it up easily with any USB port, from your laptop to a power bank. The included wireless remote allows for quick adjustments to lighting and brightness, freeing your hands. Ideal for makeup tutorials, live streams, video calls, and photography, this ring light is a must-have for influencers and creators. It ensures you always shine like a star. The rotatable phone holder securely fits all smartphones, with or without a case. Easily adjust your phone to horizontal or vertical orientation for the perfect shot. What we like. Featuring an upgraded arched lampshade for softer, more uniform light, this ring light is gentle on the eyes. It's conveniently USB powered and comes with a stable, adjustable tripod. If you're looking for a versatile and comfortable lighting solution for everyday use like Zoom calls, online teaching, or creating short-form videos, this option is ideal. What people say. This ring light works really well and is easy to use, with different brightness levels and color settings that let you switch between warm, neutral, and cool lighting depending on what you need. The light is bright but not harsh, giving a smooth and even look for videos, selfies, makeup, or video calls, and the adjustable stand makes it simple to set at the right height. The brightness is perfect, and the different lighting modes make it easy to get the right look for photos and videos. The light is soft, flattering, and doesn't create harsh shadows. Number 3. 18-inch LED ring light with tripod. Experience exceptional lighting with our large 18-inch ring light. It offers adjustable brightness and color temperature, perfect for all your creative needs. This light comes with a sturdy, adjustable tripod stand made from durable aluminum alloy. Its stable design ensures your equipment stays secure at any height. Take photos and videos with ease using the wireless Bluetooth controller. You can also operate the light remotely with the included IR remote control. Equipped with 3 hot shoe ports, you can mount multiple phones or cameras simultaneously. Plus, 2 USB ports keep your devices charged during use. Your purchase includes the 18-inch ring light, tripod stand, phone holders, remote controls, power cord, and a convenient carrying bag. Enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month warranty. What we like? This 18-inch ring light offers expansive illumination and a high CRI for accurate colors. Its standout feature is the ability to mount multiple devices with 3 hot shoe ports and keep them charged with 2 USB ports. If you're a professional photographer or streamer who needs to use multiple phones or cameras simultaneously and keep them powered, this is the ultimate setup. What people say. The stand is sturdy enough for the size of the ring light. It has great adjustable brightness and really lights up the object or subject just right. The buttons are strategically placed and the remote control makes it easy to use and adjust the lighting without having to reach for the back of the unit each time. It was simple to set up and people enjoyed being able to see themselves in the camera of the phone before we click the remote. There are 2 remotes. One remote connects to the device you're using to take the pics easily via Bluetooth. The second remote has multiple lighting settings that can be adjusted and an on-off button for the light. The light is bright, evenly diffused, and dimmable with a CRI of 90. Which helps keep colors natural in photos and videos. Perfect for makeup, vlogging, or video calls. Number 2. JIANJIN 18 LED Ring Light Kit. Introducing the JIANJIN 18-inch ring light kit, your all-in-one solution for perfect photos and videos. This kit is designed for ultimate portability and professional quality lighting. Featuring 416 high-performance LEDs, this light offers adjustable brightness from 1% to 100% and a color temperature range of 2600K to 6700K. Achieve the ideal lighting for any scenario with ease. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: the LED ring light, a 63-inch tripod stand, phone clips, and a 2.4G remote controller. It's perfect for cameras, smartphones, YouTube, TikTok, and self-portraits. All accessories, including the stand, fit neatly into the durable, multifunctional suitcase. It even doubles as a stable base when hung on the tripod, ensuring a secure setup. With a CRI of over 90, you can expect true-to-life colors in all your shots. This ensures your subjects are rendered with exceptional accuracy and vibrancy. Effortlessly adjust light intensity and color temperature from up to 10 meters away with the included 2.4G remote controller. It also features a USB charging port to keep your phone powered. We stand by the quality of our 18-inch ring light, offering an 18-month warranty for refund or replacement. Experience professional lighting with peace of mind. What we like? This 18-inch ring light comes in a unique, multifunctional suitcase that stores all accessories, making it incredibly portable. It also features a long-range 2.4G remote controller for easy adjustments. If you need a complete, easy-to-transport lighting kit for on-the-go shoots or frequent moves, this all-in-one solution is perfect for you. What people say. The light ring has been very practical for me to create good lighting in videos, photos, and video calls. It provides uniform light that helps improve image quality without generating strong shadows. I like that it has different levels of intensity, which allows you to adjust the lighting according to the need. It is easy to use, installs quickly, and is comfortable for daily use. The 18-inch size gives off bright, even lighting that makes a big difference for makeup tutorials, live streaming, and content creation. The adjustable brightness and color temperature are very useful, and the tripod feels stable enough to hold my phone or camera securely. Assembly was quick and easy. The ability to adjust between cool and warm light settings is fantastic and offers a great deal of flexibility depending on your needs. Whether you're shooting in the daytime or at night, this ring light has got you covered. The included remote is a handy addition that adds to the overall convenience of the product. Number 1. Evershop ring light for laptop. Tired of flimsy clips? Our upgraded ring light features a new design with a stretchable plate that securely fits any screen, curved or straight. The adjustable stand ensures perfect positioning for any setup. This versatile light offers an all-in-one solution for your video needs. Easily mount your phone or tablet on the stand and let our fill light enhance your appearance for calls and recordings. Weighing just 7.1 ounces with a 5-inch light head, this portable ring light is powered by USB and fits easily into any bag. Take it anywhere, office, outdoors, or while traveling, for perfect lighting on the go. Achieve professional lighting with 3 color modes and 30 brightness levels. With high color accuracy, it ensures true-to-life skin tones, making you look your best in any video call or recording. Our ring light features a flexible, foldable design for easy storage and space saving. The adjustable bracket and rotating base allow you to find the perfect angle every time. Simply plug it into your laptop, power bank, or charger and you're ready to go. No batteries needed, just instant, high-quality illumination for all your video needs. What we like? Designed specifically for your desk, this 5-inch ring light clips securely onto laptops and monitors, offering a space-saving solution. It's lightweight, USB-powered, and provides excellent color accuracy with its high CRI. If you frequently participate in video conferences, online meetings, or need subtle lighting for your workspace, this compact and convenient option is a great fit. What people say. The ring light has 3 color temperatures and 10 brightness levels, allowing for versatile lighting options. It comes with a sturdy tripod stand that is adjustable from 15.7 inches to 50 inches, making it suitable for various heights and setups. The remote control is convenient for adjusting settings without touching the light itself. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.